Loch Kinord has two crannogs, known as Castle Island and Prison Island. Crannogs can be described as artificial islands from prehistoric times. When investigated, they reveal information about the past. Crannogs are wholly or mostly artificial, as opposed to natural islands. Castle Island is located 35 metres away from the shore, and size is around 60 to 35 metres. Loch Kinord Castle stood on top of Castle Island. Although Castle Island has no significant remains of a castle, it is possible to find traces of a medieval castle that once stood here. With expert analysis of vegetation and weathered grass, along with some large dressed stones that line the edge of the island. First mentioned in 1335 when supporters of David Strathbogie sought refuge at the castle after the Battle of Colbeen, the Second World War of Scottish independence. Loch Kinord's crannog dates back to the Iron Age around 2000 years ago. A crannog is an ancient loch dwelling where a large hut sat on a platform, once connected to the shore by a narrow causeway. Iron Age people used dugout canoes to build it by pushing large oak trunks into the loch bed and piling layers of stone, earth and timber on top to form the base. A large hut was then built on stakes above the water. The crannog stayed in use until medieval times, where it was enlarged and used as a prison for the adjacent Castle Island, thus why it is now named Prison Island. Loch Kinord's crannogs were the first confirmed Iron Age crannogs in the north east of Scotland.